Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Needle Say More. Today I want to show you how to create a mock flat felled seam in just 2 minutes. To create this seam, it helps if you have a fabric that has a clear right and wrong side, and you're going to put your fabrics together right side spacing, and you're going to sew a seam 1.5 centimeters, 15 millimeters from the raw edge, and it's important that you backstitch, reverse stitch at either end, just like this. Once you've created your seam, you're going to want to go ahead and overlock the raw edge. If you trim a little bit off with your blade, it shouldn't matter, but try and keep this minimal. Once that raw edge has been overlocked, you're going to go over to your ironing board and you're going to press the overlocked edge over to one side. Once pressed, you're going to top stitch 2 twin lines of stitching along that overlocked edge to secure it in place. You can just do one line of stitching, but generally 2 lines of twin stitching does look better. So do one line and then move your needle over slightly and do a second line. And this should secure the overlocked edge into place. Once complete, trim off any loose threads. And then from one edge, it should look like a flat felled seam. And from the other edge, you can see the edge has been overlocked. So it's much quicker than the standard flat felled seam.